Hi everyone, this is Adam Collingwood again, and I just wanted to give you the final post on our cliff jumper strategy, which was Abercrombie&Fitch. If you remember from watching the previous videos, the cliff jumper strategy we sold here, which was on 27th of August. And the price that we got on that was $44.36, and what we did is, if you can see there, that was the cliff jumper which the market gapped. So if you're not familiar with the cliff jumper strategy, it's where we know the market's going to open up either lower or higher than the previous day's close. So we took 50% of the profits around about here. So we closed it was about 42.06 that we closed 50% of the £120 per point trade. So this is what's happened next. So you can see that it came down on September the 5th to a close of $40.86. There was a bit of a rally, making a high of $42.37, which was on September the 16th. But if you can see there, we didn't panic. I mean, the previous high point was just here at September the 3rd. And so it just hit the high point there, and then it just came back and closed on September the 16th at 41.76, and today it's actually opened at 40.49, and you can see here it's actually just come down to my nice red line here, our magic line, and as a result of that we put in an order to get filled at about $40. So I'm just going to show you the result of that now as to what profit was made there. So I'm just going to flick to that screen. So here we are. This was today, being the 19th of September. Our open position 4436.59, which you can see there, 4436, and that was the rest of the trade there. The £50 per point closed at 40.04, so very tidy little profit there. So a nice 432 point movement, $4.32 movement going south, and that was the nice profit that was achieved on this trade. We've got a little bit left in there, which is, as you can see here, there's another £10 a point, which at the moment is 408 pips to the good, so it's dropped by $4 from the shorting price of 4436 there. So I may just clear the rest of this trade down this afternoon. So the time now is 3:08 on Friday the 19th of September. Something interesting actually that's come out today, on the boys at the brokerage firm, very busy. Alibaba have now gone live, so there's a lot of activity there. Huge IPO. So all in all, the cliff jumper trade on Abercrombie&Fitch has been extremely profitable. I said before, we already closed 60 of this down before at 42. So yeah, we didn't get as much. I mean, we could have stayed in with 50% of it and ended up pocketing a lot more than this. In fact, we'd have had double that amount there instead of taking it at 42. But then that's how you manage the trade. We wanted to be in profit and as quickly as possible, and we were, and we banked that, and that's a sensible thing to do rather than leaving too much on the table in case it had rallied and gone the other way. But very pleased with this particular trade, and it just goes to show how well the cliff jumper strategy works, and from what you can see here, how profitable it can be. So opening 4436, which was here on August 27th, and with just not even a month, and that's the profit there. The close of 40.04 at £50 per point on that side of the trade. So hope you found this video useful, and if you do want to find more about the cliff jumper strategy and all the other strategies that we have, including cheetah trading, which is the bread and butter strategy, then please visit us at financialtraderscafe.co.uk. Okay, all have a great day, whatever you're doing, and I'll speak to you again soon. Hi everybody, Adam Collingwood again here, and just following on my video before, days 19th of September, Friday. Just got the Abercrombie&Fitch chart open at the moment. This is on the daily. As you can see, again, it's still coming down nicely. We sold at 44.36 on the cliff jumper strategy just here. Well, I've just got the arrow pointing, and it's dropped by $4.30, as you can see just in the green box here where I'm pointing with the arrow, and that's just come down now to our red line. As you know, we from the previous video, we closed majority of the trade at $40.04 at £50 a point from that, so over 400 point drop at so I think we made about 21 or so thousand on that one, which was a very nice trade indeed. But that's not what I want to talk to you about. Today is the day where the decision was made as to whether Scotland was going to become an independent or not, and everybody came out in their droves in Scotland, and thankfully, I think for all concerned, they decided to vote no. So it was a majority decision on that.